Hello everybody, this is the BLB Cuber, and welcome back to another video. So in this video today, I will be doing 12 solves on the MoYu rs3m. The MoYu rs3m is a very fun cube to solve on, and it's actually been my main for quite a while now. So other than that, I'm just going to get right into the video and start doing some solves in it. Okay, so other than that, let's just get right into the video and do the average of 12 on the MoYu rs3m. Okay, so other than that, let's just get right into the video and I'm going to start the average. So this looks like a pretty good mix here, and hopefully this goes just as well as last time. Let's just do a mix here. Okay, so I just finished mixing up the cube, so let's see what kind of time I can get. Okay, 13.02 seconds, that's pretty nice. Let's see if I can get something just as good for the second solve. Okay, there we go. Oops. Okay, 17.88 seconds. It's not the worst time, but definitely want to get something better than that. I really like this cube though, it's just so buttery smooth, and I like how many adjustments you can do to it, especially for the price. I'd honestly consider this over a GAN cube. Okay, 14.12. This average is going pretty good, considering I haven't even really warmed up yet today with 3x3. But these videos are really fun to make, and I'm definitely going to start making a lot more of them. These are videos I'm going to be trying to put out like 4 times a week. Mess up that OL case. Okay. Oops, I think I might have scrambled the. Just solve it really quick here. Okay, BD2. Okay, so let's see how this solve goes. I'm not liking the scramble that much though. EPUM. Okay, 15.06. I definitely need to practice my EPUMs more. They're definitely very hard for me to do really quickly because it's kind of one of the more rare cases to get in a 3x3. So I'm definitely going to need to start practicing them more. Let's see. Oh man, I just messed up. Okay, 19.19. It's an interesting time. Okay, let's see here. And also, I will leave a link in the description to a review video I did of this cube, because this is actually my favorite cube in my entire collection. Just for the way it performs, and especially for the price that it comes in at. Because I believe it's only $8, which is very good for a cube like this. Let's see. And also make sure you guys join the live stream I'll be having tomorrow. It will be from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm just going to talk about cubing and just do other cubing related stuff like WC events and stuff like that. So definitely make sure you check it out. It'll be every single Thursday from now on. I didn't recognize that. Okay, 14.59. It's pretty nice. So just messed up that. Oh, I think I just completely messed my cross up. Okay, there we go. It's going pretty good. Yeah, but I am getting back on schedule now with my videos and starting to get my schedule back. Because it's just I've been super busy with school and other stuff of that type, so I've not been able to make videos for quite a while, but I'm definitely getting really motivated, and I'm going to start putting content out, like 4 videos a week now, which I'm really excited to do. Alright, 13.55. This average is going really, really good. U2, O2, F, U, F2, or D inverted, U2, B2, O inverted, F, U inverted. Okay, let's see. I'm definitely going to need to put some silk in this cube pretty soon, because it's definitely starting to get a little bit rough with the turning. But once competitions do start up again, this is going to definitely be my main 100%. Okay, that can go down there. Oh, for once I finally got a Z-perm. And I just finished average of 12, so it looks like I got a average of 12 of 16.16. That's definitely a very interesting time. And I also got an average of 5 of 16.43, which is usually how I do in competition, so it's not the worst average actually. But other than that, that is where I think I'm going to end average off of today. Okay, so other than that, if you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more cubing content like this. Also make sure to turn on your notifications for this channel so you can get notified when I upload new videos. And also, if you think someone else would enjoy this video, make sure you share it with them. But other than that, that is where I think I'm going to end the video for today. So if you did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.